You want pets? Do you want pets? No. Are you scared of the fireworks? Okay. Don't get my earring. It's okay. I know they're loud sounds. You'll be okay. No, it's scary. It's okay. Come here. I know. You're okay. Alright? You're a good girl. I know. It's your first 4th. It's very scary. It's probably going to be all weekend. I'm sorry. I know. It's very loud. It's okay, though. We're all okay. Yeah. It's okay, Kiki. I'm sorry. I know the fireworks are scary. It's okay. Just hide under the blanket, okay? We're inside. Yeah. It's okay. I know. It's scary. It's so scary. I know. You're safe. Be under the blanket. You'll be safe there. Okay? No one will get you. Aww.